So finally, a product that I've been wanting to try for such a long time. It's a matte screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. Currently, you can see I've got on my iPhone 14 Pro a normal tempered glass screen protector, and while it does protect the phone, the two things I hate about it is it leaves an insane amount of fingerprints on, and then it just gives on so much reflection as soon as there's light on it. So I've always wanted to try a matte screen protector to see how it is, because I had a matte screen protector on my iPad Pro and I really liked that. So I've gone and got the Benks tempered glass screen matte finish HD screen protector. So hopefully this should make things better. So we're going to open it up and put it on the phone, show you how to applicate it. And I think it's priced under $15, so a very, very good price for something that is quite unique, because there isn't many companies that do these matte screen protectors, which is quite surprising because I thought they would be a bit more popular than they are. So let's open it up and see. Here we go. So I think when I looked online, there was a couple companies. I think Rhino Shield do one, Benks do one, and then there's a few other companies that do these matte screen protectors, but they're not that easy to come by. And then we've got this little pull tab, which is pretty cool. I've got to say, the presentation for this bank stuff is really, really good. And then we'll open it up, and that's about it. So we've got, I assume this is the applicator. We've got installation kit, and it must be. So it seems like the screen protector is already placed into the applicator, ready for you to apply it to your screen, which is always good, something we don't need to do. Bear in mind you only get one in the box, so careful how you install it. So let's open the installation kit. In the installation kit we've got a dust removal sticker, a anti-static dust removal sticker, so the smaller ones, microfiber cloth, and a cleaning wipe. So something I'm definitely going to need is a cleaning wipe to get this screen clean. And not to forget, I almost forgot to remove that screen protector. So let's have a look. Let's get that nice and clean. Don't think we need too much in there. Hopefully this doesn't leave any material behind, because usually these microfiber cloths that come with the screen protectors, they're not always that good of quality. So let's see. I mean, it's pretty clean, actually very clean in my opinion. So seem to have cleaned it rather well. So let's get rid of these things that we don't need. We'll have the dust sticker removals there in case we need them. Microfiber we don't need. And then we can see that this is the top section because of the little bit for the dynamic island there. Because obviously if you've got a matte screen, you can't have it matte over the dynamic island, because it's going to interfere with A, the camera quality, and B, just the other sensors and functionality in there. So instead of having a cutout, which I don't think there's a cutout, it's just clear instead of matte over the dynamic island, which is what's expected. So we pop that on top, lightly hold the tool, pull down bottom strap to remove the film, press it, easy enough. So let's double check one more time that we've got it clean. Looks perfectly clean to me. We'll align this with, the top. Like that. And I'm guessing I hold down here, pull this bottom section, and press it, I guess. can take this off, and you can see now it's applying. Little bubble in the middle, but that is actually so surprising how straightforward and easy that was, that application. I think it's a very good idea for them, because by them to include that tool in there. Let's see if we can get these little bubbles out. There we go. Some of the bubbles don't even need to be squeegeed out. You just need to press them down a bit and then it adheres to the screen instead. But so far I'm loving the look of this. I'll show you on the camera in a minute, just to get these little sections clean. Let's squeeze that bit out. And I've got to say, this looks absolutely amazing. For under $15, this looks better than I thought it would. And there we go. Look how seamless of a installation that was. That was super easy to install. Never had a screen protector installation that easy. And then you can see when I'm pressing the screen, we're not getting a bunch of fingerprints on there. And then that's what I mean by the little clear section for the dynamic island. And I've got to say, I actually like it. So that's how it looks like with the matte screen protector on. People are going to say that it's losing a bit of clarity, but I think it just looks awesome. That's actually that's probably one of the best things I've done to my iPhone. I love the look of this. And it's so much more smoother than the glass one, because when the glass one you'd go over it, sometimes your finger, because of the fingerprint, it would catch on, but this is so much more smoother. I'm going to, if you're interested in getting yourself one of these, I'm going to include a link down below in the video, and I'll also include a discount code you can use to get it even cheaper. This is just such an amazing product in my opinion. It goes all the way to the edges as well. As you can see, you can't even see where the separation is between the screen protector and the actual phone, which is nuts. But yeah, if you've got any questions about the matte screen protector or anything along them lines, do pop them down in the comments box below. I'll answer everything I can, and I'll be sure to keep you up to date if you want in the comments box below how it performs in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month's time. Maybe I'll make a YouTube short on it, but so far it looks absolutely amazing. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in your decision whether you want a matte screen protector or a gloss one. I'll pop some images on screen or video comparing the two, what it looks like with a gloss one and a matte one in the same sort of environment, and then you can make yourself a decision up about that. Like I said, links will be in the description box below if you want to get yourself one with a discount code, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. I'll leave it somewhere down here. Like the video if you liked it. It will get shared to more people, and share it to more people. Share it to your friends, family, anyone that you think might appreciate a matte screen protector. And I'll catch you on the next one.